it's Bea, and today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial, but guess who's going to be doing it for me? My mom! You guys are going to be seeing how to do this look for a wintry look in this video. So let's get on with the video. Hi guys, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. Go check out my Instagram. And also, I'm going to be posting weekly, so turn on the notification bell. Enjoy the video! So now my mom is here and we are going to start off the makeup process of winter stuff. And we're going to start it off with primer. So here's the primer. It's from e.l.f. and it's Primer Mist Aqua. And looks like this. Yeah. So that's what we're going to start off with. Okay, so now she's blending it with a sponge from e.l.f. So now we're going to be doing the foundation, and it's a very light shade because, it's 402 Nude Beige, and it's from L'Oreal. So she's just gonna apply it all around my face, pretty much. And she's also gonna apply it on my lower chin, my neck, yeah. So it blends with my skin, so I don't look weird. So now she is done blending, and we are going to be applying concealer to my under eye, and it's also from e.l.f. And it's called Under Eye Concealer, and here it has a concealer and highlighter. We're just going to be using this concealer. It's in a light shade, yeah. And then we're going to be adding a baking powder from e.l.f. as well. And it's called High Definition Powder, and it looks like this. And yeah, so she's just gonna be applying it under my eye, so my eyes really pop, yeah. And you're just gonna want to apply it in a U-ish motion, so under your eye there. Okay, so we finished putting on concealer, and I might look really weird right now, whatever. So now she's gonna blend it, and you just wanna blend it tapping it out, and pretty much. Okay, so now she's gonna be adding the baking powder, and it's a white powder that has this fluff thing. And she's just gonna be adding it under my eye in a diagonal way, like that, yeah. So now you're gonna let it bake for about 2 minutes, and then you're gonna brush it off lightly with a e.l.f. powder brush, and this is it. It has a flat top, and you just like brush it off. So yeah. So we are done brushing that off, and right now I have like all of my layers on. So after you do your baking powder, you are going to move on to brows. And I'm gonna be using an e.l.f. brow pencil, and it's in the shade of taupe. And this is what it looks like. Yeah. So we're just gonna be applying that to my brows. So we just did one brow, and this is how it turned out. So we're just gonna do the next one, and also there. So we just finished doing the brow pencil, and now we're just gonna brush it out. Alright, so now we're gonna be doing my eyeshadow, and we're using the e.l.f. eyeshadow palette. It looks like this. And it has all these shades. It has a mirror too. So first we're going to be using a eyeshadow C brush from e.l.f. It looks like this. That's the brush. And we're just going to be applying that to my lid. Okay, so we're going to be using this purplish, pinkish color there. And we're gonna be applying it to my whole lid. So it's gonna be like the base. So we just did the base, and this is how it turned out. So now we're gonna be using this darker shade. It's here. And we are going to be using it around that base as a like darker, more into the vibe shade. So yeah. So we just did one eye for the out, and it's really like pretty because it goes into like a gradient to the other color. So we're gonna do the other. So now we're gonna be moving on to the more wintry vibe colors, like the lighter ones, so we can really highlight those eyes. So we're gonna be using this brush. It is a contour brush from e.l.f. It looks like this. And we are gonna be using these two shades, this white one and this little pinky one. And we're gonna be doing that, so yeah. Okay, so now we're gonna be doing outline, sort of, with this brush. It's called Small Angled Brush, and it looks like this. And we are gonna be doing the white shade, and we're just gonna be outlining the eye. So we just finished the eyes, then they turned out like this. So now we're gonna be doing bronzing, and we are gonna be using a e.l.f. palette, and it is baked highlighter and bronzer, and it looks like this. These are the two colors. So that's the bronzer, that's the highlighter, and we're just gonna do the bronzer first with a complexion brush from e.l.f. It looks like this. And we're just gonna be applying that in a diagonal motion in your cheek. And now we're going to be applying it to your lower jaw, like all around, so it blends in nicely and it looks like your face is like more shaped. Okay, so now we're going to be applying highlighter from here. And we are going to be using an angled foundation brush from e.l.f. And it looks like this. And we, this palette then is Bronzed Glow. So it's like a bronzer and a glow. So we're just gonna be applying it over the bronzer, like almost underneath your eye in a diagonal way. So we finished this side. And it just gives you like a glow, so now we're gonna do the other one. So we finished the two cheeks, and we're just gonna apply it to this part of your nose, like in a straight line, and then the tip of your nose and the tip of your lip on the top. So we finished with the highlighter, and this is how it turned out. So now we're going to be using this e.l.f. palette. It's called Total Face Palette, and it looks like this. It's very shimmery. And then there's like 4 squares, there's a bronzer, there's 2 blushes, and there's a highlighter. We're just going to be using these 2 blushes to blend it in together. So you're just going to be applying that to your cheek with this blush brush from e.l.f. and it looks like this. You're just going to be applying it in like a circle motion in your like cheekbone so it pops. So now we're just going to be doing it everywhere for it to blend, but not too much. We're just going to put it around my forehead, and we're going to do it in my jaw and all of that. So we are going in blending it with a beauty blender and the brush, and we're just going to be adding those colors to my face so it all blends in together. So now we're going in blending everything with a beauty blender that we used from before. And we're just gonna make sure everything's blended and doesn't look too like anything and stuff. So we're just gonna blend that and So now we're going to be doing my lips, and we are going to be using the shade Tea Rose. And It's from e.l.f. So it's a liner. We're just gonna add that around my lip. Okay, so now we're done with the liner. And we're just gonna be adding a gloss, and it's a strawberry gloss. And we're just gonna be adding it to make it shimmery and stuff like that. So we are done with the gloss, and we are done with the whole lip look, and this is how it turned out. Now we're gonna be doing my eyelashes. We're gonna be applying this clear mascara from Maybelline first to my eyelids, and then we're gonna curl them so then they stay up. So yeah. And we are gonna be using a eyelash curler, so like my eyelashes go up. And it's an e.l.f. eyelash curler. Looks like this. Normal eyelash curler. And you're just gonna be putting your eyelashes like onto it, and you're gonna press down, wait a little, and then you're gonna let go, and it's gonna be curled. So we're gonna do that. So we finished my eyelashes, and this is how they turned out. So now we're gonna do my hair, and we're gonna be doing the finished makeup look, and we're gonna be showing you that in 3, 2, 1. What?
I just realized you said a week ago.
Okay, so we finished with curling my eyelid. I'm gonna say that again. Thanks for watching. Make sure to come back for future videos. Bye guys!